Okay, there's the shot. All right. I signed it. All right, you guys. I don't know. You know what I'm thinking though? Because I am kind of hungry. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do. Before I do that one, I have the medium. I would like to digest some kind of food that I would like before I go into that one. Is that fair? All right. So I like the honey. I'll take the honey. I'll pour it on it. I like a lot of honey on mine. Okay. And then you just take that good old slider, just like that. And the fries size, fries are to die for. I'm sorry. You guys, oh shit. This is just the hot. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Woo. We are in trouble. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. You guys, that was the hot. And normally I've tried the hot, and I remember why I went back down to mild. Because the hot is enough, you guys. Woo. Can you hear that? Okay, you guys. All right. I literally signed a disclosure because this thing is apparently It's my first time trying it, you guys. It's so hot that you gotta sign a disclosure. And I'm gonna try it right now for you. So please like, subscribe, comment on this sandwich, please. I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna hit it with a whole bunch of honey. Nah, I'm gonna hit a whole bunch of honey, cause that's only fair. Cause when it come out, that honey is gonna help. Okay. Hold on, it ain't hit me yet. Hold on. It's coming though. It's fire. Well, I can come. It's coming. I'm getting hot. It's coming. It took a minute, but woo! Ooh. All right, I'm gonna take one more bite. Woo! Ah. Mmm. Ah. That is hot. Woo. Ah, now that's hot. Woo, woo, woo. Ah. Oh, hands down, that is the hottest chicken sandwich I've ever eaten. Hands down. The hot one, you guys, oh my gosh. The hot one was spicy enough. And this was just hot. And then they have, excuse me. I went from hot to the Reaper. Woo! Dave's Hot Chicken. Thumbs up. I'm gonna clean this up, you guys. We're gonna walk back to the van and get out of here. I'm sweating, you guys. Like, yeah, I'm sweating. And that was only 2 bites. Woo! Please like and subscribe. I'm doing this for the channel, and I hope that you enjoy it.